Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on. Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
That's a couple of rookies. I want to call you Muddy Britches and you Lemonade.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Rogie, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. I was too hard on you.
Work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
Gotta pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come.
awesome! Very nice.
least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing.
I hereby dub thee
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Do you read Kennedy approach? Over.
I'm Dusty Crophouse.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I go.
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Okie dokie. Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will be.
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.